this question we have four important principles. Principle 1 explains us that no person shall be discriminated on the grounds of religion, gender, caste, creed, residence or place of birth except by a law which is enacted with intelligible differentia and reasonable nexus. Principle number 2 explains to us that a law is said to have intelligible differentia if it seeks to differentiate and distinguish a group of persons from others for whom the legislation is intended or directed. Principle number 3 explains to us that a law is said to have reasonable nexus if the intelligible differentia caused by legislation has the connection with the object sought to be achieved by the legislation. And principle 4 explains to us as to when discrimination can be justified. Now the facts in the present question are: India is a country full of social and economic disparities. National Board of Secondary Education under the Ministry of Human Resource Development regulates primary and secondary education in India. Many villages and semi-rural areas do not even have facilities such as chemistry and biology laboratories. In order to ensure level playing field for students from rural background, the MHRD issued a circular to NBSE to grant full marks to students from rural background in practical examination of chemistry and biology for senior secondary board examination. Decide whether the circular can be said to have reasonable nexus or not. In this question, the correct answer is D, that is no, as it has no reasonable connection with the objective it seeks to achieve. Now the reason why D is the correct answer is because granting of full marks defeats the very purpose of examination and cannot be said to ensure level playing field to students from rural background. Therefore, taking into consideration the principle appended in the question, we can say that D is the correct answer.